pajamas on a Saturday afternoon, I made the pledge to answer every single member's comment. Every single member's comment. From bronze all the way up to premium. I've done it. For 4.5 years now, I've not missed a single members comment ever. So what comes next? Oh my gosh, I've just gone through over 5,000 comments. I've read every single one, replied to every single one, posted every single one with a personal reply. Can't believe it. I've done it. This is getting harder and harder and harder. What comes next? Listen, folks, I'm in my pajamas. I'm not even had a chance to get dressed or have something to eat, but I promised I would reply to every single comment, every single question. No one gets left behind, and I've done it. Everybody has a reply. Now then, that being said, oh my God, what comes next? I can't believe it. I'm all prepared for a Sunday afternoon trade of XRP to make some money. And guess what happens? Donald Trump decides to drop tariffs on European partners because he's not getting to invade Greenland, which is part of course, NATO. And now all European leaders are getting tariffed. And the British Prime Minister has just come out and said, Donald Trump, this is totally wrong. You can't do it. It's historic. The British Prime Minister, the best ally of the United States, has said, Trump's gone too far. You can't invade Greenland, and we're not having it. British troops are now being sent to Greenland. I cannot believe it. What are we going to do now? What's going to happen now? Is America going to go war with the United Kingdom? I don't understand it. I've never in my life imagined that this would happen. So here we are. Now new tariffs. Now this will affect the market, of course. So what happens next? Well, obviously we can't do anything with our main stock positions, but we'll have to reassess this. The whole of Europe will reassess this. What I expect to happen is it'll be take money out of the United States and invest in British, United Kingdom, European, Chinese as well. We've got Canada now doing a deal with China, and the United States could be left on its own. I don't understand it. This is absolutely gone bonkers. Someone just said Starmer hasn't gone too far. I'm not sure I know what you mean. I don't know where we go, how we reassess this. But anyway, I'm in my pajamas. I'm not properly dressed because I promised to you that I would answer every single member's comment. No one gets left behind. It's something I really value. If you give your time to become a member of this channel, whether you are bronze member or platinum, I answer every single question. And I've just spent 4.5 hours, 5,000 comments. Some were just, hello, how are you? But I've replied to every single one with a personal voice message to provide the best service. So I've got to go now and have something to eat and get dressed. It's only 4:30 in the afternoon. I've been here all day, but I've done it. I promised I would. Now, I've got a big announcement to make, okay? Because, as I've just proven to you, I value all members. I've never missed a member's comment in 4 years, and I'm never going to miss. So what we're doing next week, we're going to go, oh, hello, what's this? I've got a deer is that a deer from Greenland? Greenland. I can't believe it. Look at that. That's amazing. Thank you for that. That little deer, that was nuts. That's 400 diamonds. I've no idea what that means, but thank you so much. Listen, folks, I'm going to have to go. This is what's going to happen, okay? Next week, Members Week, the whole week. The whole week is Members Week. What does that mean? Now, I'll get less views, I'll earn less money, but it doesn't matter. It's about providing the best service. Many of you said you've spoken a lot about XRP recently. Can you get back to stocks, analyzing stocks, finding new opportunities to make money? So next week, and show some love for this, show some love in the chat, tap the like button if you agree with this. Next week is Members Week. What does that mean? Sensei will be live for the breakfast show. I'll be live for the opening bell for 1 hour, ring the bell, and then it's members only. All week, every day, members only. Doing all your stock analysis, all your reviews, completely for free for all the members. It will be a smaller audience, but we've now got over 2,000 members. We think it's important to respect and honor our members, get back to basics, get back to what the value is, and it'll all be about your stocks, your businesses, the things that you want to provide information rather than trying growing the channel to new members, new viewers, talking about Discord or all the other things, just providing stock analysis for all of our original members. That's from bronze members all the way up. Everybody it'll be your week, your show. You support the show, you will get and control the show the whole of next week. Of course, if in the middle of that, Donald Trump decides to invade Greenland and we go to war with the United Kingdom, what the hell? I might want to report on that because that'd be kind of important. But anyway, there you go. I love you all. Thank you ever so much for your support. I'm going to go and get dressed now. I promised I would answer every single member's question. 5,000 today. I can't believe it. You'd all left loads and loads of comments and questions, and I've answered every one, not with just bots or text. With my voice, I've answered it all personally. That's why I've been sat in this dressing gown all day. So that's it from me. Thank you ever so much indeed. Expect volatility on the market on Tuesday when the market opens, because now you've got the whole of Europe being tariffed because they won't give Donald Trump this country he wants to take for free. I don't know how this stuff goes on. It's just it's a wonderful game. It's completely bonkers. It's completely nuts, but it is what it is. And remember, it's easy to make money. The hard part is to keep it. Might have to sell and trim some of my Coca-Cola and reduce my positions, because I bet you any money you like that investors around the world will start taking their money out of the US and buying other countries. It's just inevitable, really. So that's it from me. Thank you ever so much indeed. A year ago, I joked about USA versus GB. Not anymore. It's crazy. I can't believe it's happening. Our closest ally. America want to go alone. They want to be on their own. It's America first, which means America on their own. I don't understand that. The whole world's America's customers. And America buys stuff off everybody. So I don't know what the sense of just saying stuff everybody is. I don't get it. But there it is. That's what's happened. That's what's happening. Let's see how we get through that. Anyway, love to you all. I'm going to go and have some food. I can't believe it. I've answered every single member's question. Thank you for being a member. If you do want my trades, I've set up loads of limit orders. More coming for XRP tomorrow. I'm expecting a bounce tomorrow. It already started this morning. I've got limit orders to buy and sell, all being shared on my Discord Premium. It's only a couple of bucks to be a member. I can't make it any cheaper. I've done it as inexpensive as possible so everybody can be a member, and everybody is. We went from 188 members 4 days ago to 301 in just 4 days' time. Everyone is joining because I've made it the most inexpensive Discord service in the world. No one does one-on-one service, answers all questions, goes live in Discord, shows their trades. I'm not sharing it on social media because we're being front run by the algos. We're not doing it. It's why we're always winning. That's why I've won on every single trade. So I'm not going to give away all my trading positions anymore. I've got direct links with Ripple, direct links with Robinhood, and I'm talking to these people. So if you want my trades, Discord Premium, it's below in the description of every video. It's only a couple of bucks plus one-on-one service. If that's not worth $2 a month for you, you probably shouldn't even be investing, or you can't even afford the internet bill to be able to be online. Also, I provide it for my members on YouTube as well, my Electrum members. So if you want to join me on Electrum, it's a couple of bucks more than silver, and you get all the bronze and silver services, Members Week, all the live shows, all the CEO interviews, all the live personal replies, plus my trades, plus everything. And that's, remember, before I make the trade. So you know what I'm buying, what I'm selling, when I'm buying, when I'm selling, before it actually happens, with my real money and my real trades. If you want to be an Electrum member, simply go and upgrade from your bronze or silver or become a member. There it is. I aim to be the most honest, real channel in the world and the best service in the world. That's why I'm not even dressed. I've been answering everybody's questions today, and I can't believe I've done. There's 5,000. It's like, what the hell? We got 2,000 members, and everyone left like half a dozen comments each. But anyway, I've answered every question. I hope it helps. I hope you understand what it is you wanted to know, but I've done that. Right, I'm off. Thank you so much indeed. I will see you back later. No show tomorrow, of course, because the markets are closed. But Monday, of course, I'll be there for the overnight session, the futures. Sensei is back now on the show. Vaz is back with an amazing show this morning. Casey's with us now full time. So the shows are going to take off next week. So members week, all week from me. That's it from me. Become a member. Don't become a member. Do what you want. But I wish everyone the very, very best of luck. It's going to be an explosive Sunday. And by God, it's going to be an explosive week next week. So I'm going to be very, very aggressive on my trades. I've got just over $500,000 now invested, taking it up to a $1 million trade live on the show. You'll see a $1 million day trade. It's coming very soon. That's it from me. Take